In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Gmail. To begin, open Monday.com in your web browser and go to the specific board where you want this connection to work. It is important to start from the correct board because the integration you add will be applied there. If you manage multiple workspaces or boards, take a moment to confirm you are in the right place before continuing. Once your board is open, look near the top of the board for the Integrations option. It is usually shown with a plug icon. Click Integrations to open the Integrations panel. This is where Monday.com lets you connect your board to other tools, so actions in one app can work smoothly with actions in another. Inside the Integrations panel, you will see a search field. Click into that search box and type Gmail. As you type, Monday.com will filter the list and show matching integration options. Select Gmail from the results to open the Gmail integration setup. Next, click the Connect button. This starts the process of linking your Gmail account to Monday.com. A sign-in window will appear, and you will log in to the Gmail account you want to use. Make sure you are signing in with the correct account, especially if you are already signed into multiple Google accounts in your browser. If the wrong account appears, switch to the correct one before moving forward. After you sign in, you will be asked to authorize permissions. This step is required because Monday.com needs your approval to communicate with Gmail for the integration to function properly. Read through the permission screen carefully, then allow access to complete the authorization. Once authorization is successful, return to Monday.com if it does not automatically bring you back. You should now be able to finalize the integration. To finish, click Add to Board. This adds the Gmail integration to your current board so you can begin using it as part of your workflow. At this point, your Monday.com board is connected to Gmail, and the integration is ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.